everybody, it's Martina with Exit Realty Associates, your local real estate agent, also known as Move with Martina. Today is Thursday and it's time for another online networking series. This is episode number 10. We've been doing this for 10 weeks and I'm super excited. So today is going to be a little different. I usually have someone right next to me at the same room. Today I'm going to do a split screen, so please be patient with me. Let's see how it works. Okay, so let's bring Blake. Let's see if this works. I really hope so. We've done, yay, awesome.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi, Martina.
How are you?
Awesome.
Good, how are you?
Good, good. I'm so glad that this finally worked out.
All right, you're ready for a job at the Genius Bar.
Thank you. I appreciate that. So, well, guys, tell me about yourselves. What do you do and who are you?
Well, I'm Blake Manhart, and this is my business partner, Ryan Mahoney. We own and operate Goosehead Insurance. We're independent insurance agents focused on auto, homeowners, personal lines insurance, and we do it in 4 states right now so far. Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Florida, with DC and Maryland coming as well.
Okay, awesome. That's what we've talked about earlier today, so I'm super excited about that because a lot of agents can use you guys as a reference too if we work in the DMV area. So it's really good to get to know you, and I have worked with you before, and my client loved you. So tell us your path. How did you go from where you were to where you are now?
Well,
That's a good one.
It is a good question, and our stories are very similar. We both had State Farm agencies where we were, single option insurance company, basically, where we could help a select few folks. Mine was in the DC area, and Ryan's was down here in Charlotte. We're people pleasers. So when we didn't have enough options to really excel at helping the people that looked to us, we got connected with a good company called Goosehead.
Okay.
An independent brokerage out of Dallas, Texas.
Okay, interesting.
And we were able to convince them that we were good looking enough to launch basically the East Coast for them. We were the only agents outside of Florida on the East Coast.
Okay.
They've expanded tremendously since, which is awesome for the brand. But now we just crush it for people.
Awesome.
We got over 20 options of companies that we work with. So we're always able to pinpoint the best option without having to cut any corners to deliver a good product for folks.
Awesome.
Ryan, you want to comment any on your
I moved up to the Charlotte area about 4 years ago. I was with State Farm for about 11 years before me and Blake switched over to Goosehead last year. So we moved up from Florida to the Charlotte area, and then it's been good for the last year. Same kind of things Blake was looking for. Yeah, I was looking for the same thing, and just having more options and variety available to our clientele was important to me.
Awesome. So tell me, how did this partnership started? How did you guys come about it? And is it a, 2 for price of 1, or how does it work?
Oh yeah, you get lots of experience between the two brains. But well, we were both training with our previous company at the same time. We developed a friendship there, and then as we kind of struggled to make our business really successful in that model, we were kind of leaning on each other for processes and systems and so forth to make us as good as we could be. And then as time went on and we realized that maybe some of those things were out of our control, when the Goosehead opportunity presented itself, we basically, I think I called him and I said, hey, I think I might have a solution to some of our ills. And from there, it went very quick. It was just February, probably Valentine's Day approximately of last year that we got introduced to him.
Okay.
And by June 1, I had moved my family here and we had launched the new business.
Awesome. Well, congrats. This is awesome. This is great that you're growing your business and doing what you love. This is amazing. This is why I want to bring people like you guys, that they love what they do, and I can share that with my friends and my clientele so they can feel free to reach out to you whenever they need to.
Excellent.
So tell me, this is my favorite part of my interviews. Tell me a fun fact, fun story. What you got for me?
Most of the fun that we have is actually on our Goosehead Insurance Charlotte Facebook page. We do a daily live show about insurance, I guess.
Okay.
It's more Seinfeld based. It's an insurance show about nothing, where we have some fun with the exciting world of homeowners insurance and auto insurance. But we're family people, so our fun is found in our kids. I have 3 9- and 5-year-old girls and a 10-month-old boy.
I have 4 girls.
Ryan has 4 girls.
Okay.
Most of the fun stories that I think of right now involve, like trying to diaper the baby while he's running off across the room with no clothes on.
I know what you mean.
That's right.
No more fish shows for me. That was fun for me, going to fish shows.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah,
We're
just old dads that like to play golf when we don't have to parent.
No, I wouldn't say so. You guys, you're really, really a lot of fun, and I really enjoy every single time Blake called me. He's, what I really like, that you go for the personal touch. So whenever you call me, he's like, hey, Martina, how are the kids? What's going on? How is your client? So you remembered that I do have kids, because I do not broadcast that like everywhere. I don't post pictures. I don't do any of that because I'm quite a private person. But you remembered, and that what kind of sticks in your head, and you're like, okay, this person cares. And I like that.
Yeah. And we do that with everybody, actually.
Yeah.
I mean, our model gives us the ability and the time to be attentive to the details for folks. So that we can take the time to educate, so that you know what you have and what you don't have all the time.
Right.
And that's probably what makes us work. We sell insurance, but I don't feel like we've ever had to sell or anything.
Right.
Because we take value in. I mean, that's our value. We love that part of it.
Our insurance conversation stays pretty much the same every single day. It's just the people who we're talking to that changes, and then
Correct.
What we find interesting is just getting to know those people, like you said, like who has kids, who has dogs that they take to the dog park, or their kids to the park, whatever they're doing, whitewater center stuff. So that's kind of the fun part about what we do, is the people change and the interests and all that. So it keeps it moving for us, but we like it.
Yeah, and you do a great job at it. I know you do. So let us tell us an insider tip, something that people might not know that you can share with us.
I think the real insider tip into the industry is that insurance is not a one-size-fits-all entity. Every company has a different profile, whether that be the credit component that they're looking for, the age of the house, the type of the roof, the zip code, the county, whatever it may be. Everybody's profile is different. And if you only get to see one person's price or one company price, product, etc., there's a whole vast array of products that are out there. What we see is that in most cases, home insurance prices from the lowest costing one to the highest costing one can be $600, $800, even $1,000, $600, $800, $1,000 difference for the exact same coverage, basically the exact same policy. So the real tip is you do need to shop it to an extent. You need to see that, and you should do it with somebody like us ultimately, because we can do that for you quickly. We can save you a day's worth of insurance conversations. You probably have to double up on your coffee to make it through a day of talking to different insurance agencies, because we just have the technology that enables us to do it very quickly. One phone call, we can see the market for you. We can give you an idea of the range. The other piece of that would be it does help, especially in Virginia, to bundle your auto insurance with your home. There are certain areas, coastal areas, where standalone home policies are strong, and they don't necessarily require the auto discount. But in the Northern Virginia area, especially, if you're going to buy a new home or shop your insurance, take your auto along with it. The way that the state is set up, the discount is a lot, and it helps you to keep them all under one company umbrella.
Okay, awesome. I see Lisa here. I just wanted to say hi, Lisa, and I'm wearing my tag because she was always telling me, bring your tag everywhere you go. So I just wanted to shout out to her and say hi, Rick. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for being patient with me all day, trying to figure all this out. This is all new to me, and you learn every day.
You got to give that insider tip to everybody. If you want to split screen on the live, iPhone to iPhone, right?
I know, it's not fair. It's not fair, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do.
We'll see you at the Apple store this afternoon getting upgraded.
I used to be with iPhone. I used to, but then I just went for Android, and Android always gets stuff later. I don't know why. I don't know why they don't like Android. But we did it. We did it.
Yeah, it's awesome. Thanks, Martina.
Thank you, guys. I really appreciate you coming here talking about insurance. And you guys who are watching and listening, you will have all information below. So if you need any type of insurance, you go to these guys and they will direct you and tell you the best deals. I promise.
Check us out. Goosehead Insurance, Charlotte on Facebook.
Awesome. I'll have all the information below. Thank you so much. And guys, have a great rest of the day.
Bye, Martina.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.